Okay, so great. Tell me how you got this 160 over 3. So I followed you to the 48. So the 48 came from, there were 16 segments here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16.
For one side.
For one side, and then times 3. Okay. So what did we do next?
So for each one of these one length one segments, you're gonna add on a smaller triangle. And to do that, you have now 2 segments of length 1/3 that you're adding.
Okay.
For every one segment of length 1/3 that you took out.
Okay.
So for every segment of length 1 becomes length 1 1/3 now.
Okay, let's call that 4/3.
Okay, 4/3. And we knew from before that there were 16 of these segments per side.
Okay.
And so 48 of them total, so I guess we just need to do 4/3 times 48.
All right. And what is that?
192 thirds.
Why don't you multiply that out? So 4/3 times 48. How would you do that multiplication?
So I would do 4 times 48. If we want it as an improper fraction, we can just do 4 times 48 and then write that as over 3.
So go ahead and do it out.
Okay. So 4 times 48. I guess we can just do it this way. We get 32 here. So we get 16, 192. And then this becomes 192 over 3.
All right. Is 192 divisible by 3?
It is. So I guess from the start we could have divided 48 by 3. So that would just be 16 times 4 instead of 48 times 4.
Okay.
Alright, so that becomes 64 as our new number here.
Okay.
64. So we go from 27 to 36 to 48 to 64. So we go from here, we go plus 9 plus 12, and now this is plus 16, looks like.
Yeah. Yeah.
So we're actually adding more perimeter every time we go up a step, even though we're using smaller triangles.
Right. That's true. We are adding more every time that we go up. So it does look like we're going to infinity here. So let's see if we can figure out what's going on.
Alright.